Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. And this time I will presentation our project. Uh, the first I will introduce my team. My team is of three part: cloud computing, machine learning, and mobile development. And the next, it's this is background problem general. It's meaning of like um we all realize that emergency situation can happen anytime and anywhere. So, in this circumstances, speed and efficiency is in response is crucial to save lives. Unfor- Unfortunately, there are still many challenges faces in the current emergency services system. And the next, this is background problem core. We have four in this slide. Like the firstly, delay response time. The secondly, lack of integrated communication system in NMS. And the third, abuse of ambulance services. And lastly, there is the challenge of difficulty in assessing the urgency of emergency cases. Next.
InstaHealth is the solution to all that. Next slide. InstaHealth is a mobile app that streamline emergency medical response with AI, voice-activated calls, urgency validation, and real-time tracking. Next. The solution and goal of this InstaHealth is 1. Fast and easy emergency calls, ambulance tracking and appropriate treatment, reliable integrate platform. And the goal is improving emergency response speed, improving case handling efficiency, and last releasing a reliable system. Next slide. The main reason for developing InstaHealth is to deliver faster and more effective emergency service. The reason have four. One is delay emergency response. Delay in ambulance dispatch often occur due to inefficient communication and lack of real-time tracking. And two, critical communication gaps. Panic during emergency can lead to unclear communication, slowing down the response. And three, lack of the technology integration. The manual system still in use is prone to errors and inefficient. And last is need for certainty and speed. By leveraging technologies like a real-time tracking and AI-based urgency classification, response times can be faster and more accurate, meeting people's need for certainty and speed in emergency.
Existing result. Next. Next, please. Some of the main features of InstaHealth are easy to call is make it easy for citizens to call an ambulance in emergency situations, trip tracking, ambulance tracking and proper handling, and the last classification of incident data based on incident descriptions sent by residents. Next. And some of the features that are still in development are one, mirror search is useful for finding the close location from the user's current position to the nearest emergency service. Two, KTP verification used for user verification. And last, digital maps used to show location, route, or other geographic information. It can help users navigate or find a specific location. Next. From the feature available in the InstaHealth, InstaHealth has many advantages over other apps, such as the 112 service, which only has feature for speed dialing. In addition, we can also see that the WhatsApp, like the features of trip tracking, nearby location search, digital maps, incident classification, and ID card verification. This makes InstaHelp a superior and more complete solution for emergency needs.
Next, implementation and improvement. Here are the tools, surface, and programming language we use to build backend APIs and deploy them to Google Cloud Platform. Next, here a summary of the cloud architecture for the project using Google Cloud Platform. Client, Android device send request to the server via an API endpoint, provide the mobile backend API. Authentication, incoming requests are authenticated using credential JSON stored in Secret Manager. API gateway, requests are route through code endpoint, which manage and forward them the appropriate backend service. Backend service is a Cloud Run host service. InstaHelp ML model for machine learning tasks. InstaHelp login backend for authentication. InstaHelp features backend for the processing user data or additional features. Data management, Cloud SQL store user information and other data secured by Cloud Fiber rules. Cloud storage handle file-based data like user avatars and incident image. Response process result are sent to the Android device, delivering outcomes like login success, analytics, or request file. Okay, next.
For machine learning, we use Google Colab, Python Notebook, Python, and TensorFlow. Next. The first step, model development, is build a quality data set. Each line data urgency level, such as a high, medium, or low. This data comes up various scenarios, such as traffic accident, respiratory distress, and minor injury. Next. This is our workflow development of machine learning. Next. For urgency classification, we use LSTM architecture, which is suitable processing sequential data as a text. Our model consists of embedding layers to map words into vectors, following by a directional STM layer so that model can understand context the sentence from both direction. And dense layer to output for this category prediction. The training results show that the epoch increase, the accuracy of the model increase, the loss value decrease until it reaches certain convergence point. The performance graph show the increase in the model on both training and validation data, as well a consistent decrease in the loss, indicating that the model can learn language pattern effectively. Next. Use the model to train, we test the new example not include the training data. For example, refers there the heart attack patient unconscious, where the classification is high. And the another report, such as I feel dizzy and want to consult the doctor, were categorized as low. This indicating that the case did not have an urgent need for the ambulance. This prediction demonstrates the model ability discuss the level urgency based incident description. This result gives confidence that the model can help automate the process and speed up their emergency response. Next slide.
In my part, I will discuss the mobile app development process we carry out. Starting from designing user interface to coding, we use tools that enable efficient collaboration and ensure a user-friendly experience. Next. Moving on, we also incorporate various technologies to enhance the app's performance and features. This include tools for managing data, connecting with external service, implementing AI-based functionalities, integrating high-quality camera features, and providing interactive map service. As of this element was carefully chosen to ensure the app operates smoothly and delivers optimal functioning for users. Next.
Finally, we arrive at final results. Next. We are excited to present the final version of our application, which features an interactive and user-friendly interface designed to simplify user interaction. Our development process was guided by thorough research using the UI expert researching method. During that, the interface meets the highest standard of usability and user satisfaction. The result is a seamless and intuitive experience that aligns with user needs, making the application not only functional but also enjoyable to use. Next. This project is the result of collaboration between 3 teams: cloud computing, machine learning, and mobile development. Next. We finished this work really fast for about 5 weeks, and it's still on development, but we have reached the production phase. Project documentation is complete and all application features are integrated to be tested in a production environment. Next. This project showcased the successful collaboration of 3 specialized team: cloud computing, machine learning, and mobile development working together to create an innovative and user-friendly application. By leveraging their unique expertise, the teams developed a robust infrastructure, intelligent features, and an intuitive interface, ensuring the application meets high standard of usability and functionality. Thank you for your attention and interest in our project. We are proud of the collaborative efforts and innovation that brought this application to life. We look forward to exploring its impact and possibilities further and are excited to continue improving it based on user feedback. Let's keep building a solution that makes a difference. Bye.